welcome back to my channel, everyone. We are back with our tarot reads again as per the poll that we did on Facebook and Instagram. So all of you requested for tarot reads. Some did request for the crystals, but I'll still be posting about the crystals in my videos on my channel everywhere. But now we have started again with the tarot reads, the monthly reads and the bi-weekly ones. So right now I'll only be doing like the two reads, the monthly June reads, and then I'll start from 15th to the 31st after I'm done with the monthly ones, because monthly ones I've just started and I'm only done with, I guess, 5 of the signs. And this read is gonna be for our water sign Pisces. So my fellow Pisceans, let's see how it's going for all of you out there. How's this Mercury retrograde affecting you? Has it been affecting you at an emotional level? Are you doing the inner work, or what's going on? We'll see in the read. Also, I have started taking in the personal read, so I'll be posting the link in the description box below for my Instagram channel. So you can simply DM me if you need a personal read with me. And also I'll be posting my website's link in the description. So if you need any of the crystals, like all those who are interested in crystals, or maybe want to buy some of the protection ones for this Mercury retrograde, or maybe just in general, if you know about the crystals, then you can definitely buy the crystals from there. And do follow me on Instagram, because I post the benefits of every single crystal, and I'll also tell you why this crystal is for that particular sign. So let's start with our Pisces read without wasting any further time. Okay, Pisceans, let's see how it's going on for you for this month, June 2021. Pisceans, what's wrong? Okay, the present situation for our Pisceans. Wow, divine wishes being granted. I think our Pisceans have been manifesting too much, huh? Wow. Let's see the overall energy of the read as well. Oh wow. Okay, Pisceans, that's kind of an intense read for our Pisceans. In the recent past, I do see you have the 7 of Cups, the 7 of Pentacles, and the 6 of Wands. So I do see Pisceans working hard on their inner self, and also in terms of your work, you are definitely working hard. But something is not giving you what you expected, or maybe what you have been manifesting. Something's still hidden there, or was hidden in the recent past. But there was some kind of victory, some kind of victorious news definitely you got. So some kind of satisfaction that you got in terms of your finances that I see here. In the present situation, we have the Ace of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, and the 10 of Wands. So as I said, Pisceans are manifesting and their divine wishes will be granted. So don't worry about whatever you're manifesting, you will get it. And for most of you, I do see it's in terms of your love life, whatever you have been manifesting, like you're manifesting a happy home. Some of you might be manifesting a child. Some of you have been manifesting to meet your family. Maybe you haven't met your family for a very long time. So whatever you've been manifesting, any specific person, you will get it, because divine is giving you this. So that's the Ace of Pentacles for our Pisceans. Woohoo! Good times. Okay, now I see Pisceans going a long way, but why are you carrying all the load on your own self? some of you might be like weighed down by a lot of problems, but it's not just your job to do everything on your own. Why are you thinking that the whole load is on your shoulders and you have like a long way to go? Definitely, I see here there's a long way to go for you, but that's all in your head. That's not something in the physical. You are making yourself responsible for everything, which is a nice thing, taking in the responsibilities, but not always the best thing. Do not weigh yourself down with problems that you start having the backaches and stuff. So if any of the Pisceans are actually going through backaches, just release the old energies. That's something you need to do right now, because you're carrying a very heavy load on your back that you're completely unaware of. So just sit down and meditate and see what is something that's holding you back, that's actually weighing you down. Because I see there's this heavy load you're carrying in yourself, and that's in your own head that's going on. No one can help you in this. You need to meditate with your you need to meditate on your own and see how you can get out of this situation. Okay, now comes the actual part, Pisceans. I do see someone entering your life in the near future, or for some of you, someone has already entered your life, but somehow this person is offering you something. Yeah. Let me clarify the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. So this person was offering you something, but this person was or is actually the Knight, which I feel is the energy that I'm getting from is not very good, because it's leading you to some kind of brokenheartedness, some kind of deception from this person, some kind of a feeling of jealousy also is involved. You won't get trapped into this situation, don't worry about it, because you will know the real intentions of this person, because there is something that you are holding, that something is holding you back. We have the Devil here, which is clearly telling me that you are involved with someone. I won't say that that person is specifically in your life, but you are holding on to this thing as if this person is there, and sometimes we say you're not able to let go of the past, but in your case, I do feel, because you are not letting that past go away from you, because that person has this pull on you so much, that is protecting you from this person who's trying to enter as in a knight, and who's there to give you some kind of frustrations, jealousy, and deception. So whatever has been holding you back, the Devil has come up as a very positive energy here, that this is helping you. This Devil, whichever past person that you feel stuck onto, this person is actually protecting you from all the other things that can enter your life, from all these other people around, because this other person who's coming in here is not the very best one, because clearly leading to this. So also I don't see this person going in so easily from your life, because in the near future I do see this person keep on entering your life again and again, and not entering your life physically in the 3D, not entering your life in that way, but this person is like giving you hints, or maybe throwing their arrows of love towards you, just making sure that you know that this person loves you, and this person's trying to make you believe that they love you. Basically, that's what's happening here. But things are changing up at a very fast rate, because the overall energy of the read is the Wheel of Fortune, so that's clearly elevation. So you are elevating from all of these things that are going around you. Like, you are going to a path which is completely different, which is away from all these physical things that these people are doing around you. This could be some kind of negative energies trying to enter your life, trying to pull you back, but you are like way beyond it. You are completely onto a different level with the Wheel of Fortune. There's like this, you are over this competitive phase. You are like not competing with anyone here. You're just working on yourself, elevating yourself. Also, the person that's holding you back with the Devil here, this past person, because of this person you are stable in your life today. Because of this person you feel a sense of stability, a sense of happiness, a sense of fulfillment in yourself. And because of this person, you are clearly working on your finances. You are working, there's this money improvements coming your way. Could be this person, could be your twin. So whosoever you are stuck on right now, this person could be your twin flame, because it's like complete a twin flame kind of a relation that I feel here. Because even though this person's not in your life, you feel happy, you feel contented, you feel a sense of happiness, and you're happy in your own self. You don't need anyone's approval to be happy in your life. Also, there might be some kind of overland travel plans, so you might be going for like short journeys somewhere here or there. But again, that is also a phase of elevation for you. Wherever you are going, wherever this path is leading you to, you are just elevating in your life. See all these devils that are coming towards you with the all around here. There are all the devils that are around you, trying to get hold of you, trying to break your strength, break your powers, but nothing's happening. I don't see anything happening here. Let me clarify the Three of Swords that I want to. Yeah, nothing's happening here. Even though we had the Three of Swords, there's improvements in your love life, there's improvements in your finances. You feel happy because this other person who's not in your life right now, I can see that here, but you have this person in your mind. You know which person I'm talking about. So due to this, we have the Star card also here. So there's a lot of brightness, a lot of hope that's coming your way. There's you feel happy just in your own self. You don't need anyone's approval, and in the near future also it's the same thing. You don't need the approval of other people, although they keep on coming in and out of your life. They think they're doing a lot of stuff with you, but clearly nothing's happening that I see here. When I'm taking the clarifiers, nothing's really happening. So there's improvements, there's improvements in your finances also. So there's more of financial abundance coming your way, Pisceans. Perfect. So Pisceans, let's see what the universe wants to guide you after your wishes have been granted. What the universe wants to guide our Pisceans. Universe, please guide our Pisceans. There's someone looking at you from far off a distance. Don't think that this person's not looking towards you. This person has an eye on you. This person, being the King of Pentacles, is looking towards you, sitting very powerfully on their throne. And you, being the High Priestess here, you are like clearly not looking at them. And I see you just being powerful in your own self, working on your own energies and improving your own self more and more. Sometimes there's some kind of juggling might go in your own head about anything, maybe finances, maybe in love life, but that's just for a little bit. There's no confusion that you go through for a very, very long time, because you know how to hold yourself back. And some of you might just get to know something about a person in your life, some kind of important news. Some of you might get this important news from this person who's keeping an eye on you. So I do see there's some kind of messages coming in towards you, Pisceans. Yeah, so that is the guidance from the universe, Pisceans. Stay strong, you're powerful. So clearly Mercury retrograde is not affecting our Pisceans that much, and thank God for that. Because Pisceans, it's always a tough time during the Mercury retrograde, but this time you're holding yourself stronger. I think you're meditating, doing the inner work, doing everything you can do to protect yourself. So that was your read, and again the link will be in the description. Connect with me on Instagram, so in case you need a personal read with me, you can simply ask me from there. And also I'll be posting about I always post about the crystals and everything there, and keep giving guidance on live IGTV also I post sometimes. So yeah, you can connect with me there. Also, if this read resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in next time. Bye bye, take care.